So I'm going to show you a method where you can fix people's mistakes on Word documents and make money. Sounds funny? Well, it sounds a bit confusing, doesn't it? But I'm going to explain to you that you can actually fix people's spelling mistakes and make a lot of money. This method is very unique and very easy to do because I'm going to show you a strategy which can be so much easier for you to do, and you can make a lot of money every single day. Now, what you want to do is watch this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to explain to you how you're going to do this, what you need to do in order to make the money. So you don't want to skip any important step. The video is not long, so just watch this video all the way to the end. Now, you must understand that this is absolutely free. You don't have to pay for anything. You don't pay for any registrations. There are no registration fees. This is wonderful. And it's available worldwide. It doesn't matter where you are. If you're in Africa, you can do this. Australia, Europe, South America, Asia, America, wherever you are from, you can get access to this opportunity. And you can do this on your phone. If you don't want to do this on your computer or your laptop, you can actually do this on your phone. So, before I show you the method, please subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. It's absolutely free to subscribe. Please just click that red button, subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Please just subscribe and turn on all post notifications. Click that bell right there right now. It will give you a notification every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for your support, and let's get into it. So, the website I want to show you today is People Per Hour. Now, you might have come across People Per Hour before. It's peopleperhour.com. Now, I'm going to explain something very unique to you. People Per Hour is basically a platform where there are thousands and millions of businesses available, and 2 million, almost 3 million freelancers, which are the people that actually work. And look at this amount of money, millions of pounds that have been paid to people like you and I that actually work and make the money. So it's a big platform where people actually make a lot of money, and it's in connection with BBC, Business Insider, CNBC, Financial Times, Forbes, The Independent. So it's a very big platform. Now, what you want to do, come over here, click search. When you click search, you want to click search projects over here. Click on search projects. Now, when you've clicked on search projects, you're going to see a whole lot of projects available. Projects that pay $125, $588, $125. So many different kinds of projects that are available, and you can make a lot of money. There are all different kinds of categories: admin, business support, creative arts, design, extraordinary, marketing and PR, mobile, search marketing, social media, software development, translation, tutorials, video, photo and audio, web development, writing. So many options for you. But what you want to do, I want you to click and type proofread, and click enter. So proofreader over here. What is a proofreader? A proofreader is somebody that reads your document to check whether there are any spelling errors, and the proofreader fixes the spelling errors for you. If you don't know what a proofreader is somebody who checks your document for spelling errors and fixes the errors for you word for word. That is what a proofreader does. So over here we have somebody who says, I need a proofreader, I'm going to pay you $10 to just check my document. Deep editing proofreader, somebody's going to pay you $82, $262, $157, $106, $20 per hour, $588, This sounds really good. $588. Proofread Swedish documents. I mean, this is legit money. This is good money. To be honest with you, it's absolutely good money, and you could be making this money. So basically, this is what I want to show you. People are in need of proofreaders. People are in need of proofreaders. So what you want to do is you want to come onto here and maybe find something nice with a good price. Now, when you get the document, I'm going to show you an easy method so that you don't need to go and be checking for every single word, every single mistake, and fix it word for word. That's if you have the time. But what I'm going to show you is a very nice shortcut which you can use. This is called Ginger Software. It's on gingersoftware.com. Basically, it's actually an extension that you can use on Google Chrome, and it literally just fixes the errors for you. It's called Ginger Software. It will fix spelling errors for you, and it does it automatically. It is awesome. So it's something you want to add to your Chrome browser. So when you're on here, you click add to Chrome browser, and it's free. So this is the first method I want to show you over here. It's called Ginger Software. The second one is called Grammarly. It's on grammarly.com. Grammarly.com is also an extension you can add to Chrome. Basically, it does the same thing. And okay, as you can see, 20 million people use Grammarly to improve their writing. So it basically just fixes errors for you automatically. It's absolutely cool, so that you don't need to go and hassle through everything word for word, and it just saves you a lot of time. So you have two options to choose from: gingersoftware.com or on grammarly.com. For me, I prefer using Grammarly because it's, I don't know, I prefer it myself, but you might enjoy Ginger Software. They both do the same thing. It's just to make it easier for you to check for spelling errors and just fix them automatically. So now when you go back onto people per hour, you can actually, once you've created an account, which is absolutely free, you can actually make a post to say that, hey, I am a proofreader, I can proofread your document, and I will charge maybe $20, $30. You just want to check out the price range that people are charging, and you just want to make sure that you don't charge more than the average person. So you just want to make sure that you charge a decent amount, so that people would not decide to choose other people instead of you. So this is what I want to show you today. It's on people per hour. As you can see, if for example we click search and then we click on search freelancers, so now we're not searching projects, we're searching freelancers. So now we're searching for people. So let's see something. If we type in proofread, let's see who's in the department of proofread. So now all these people, as you can see, are people that can proofread your document. As you can see, Alison P, professional proofreader. She will do it for $46 per hour. I mean, Abigail will do it for $46 per hour. So you want to come over here. As we can see, Cheyenne will do it for $50 per hour. So you want to become somebody who will check and maybe do it for like 20. As we can see over here, Vicky will do it for $20 per hour. So you want to do maybe like $20 per hour or 25, so that people will decide to choose you instead of maybe this person over here. Instead of maybe this person, because they're doing it on 39, you might want to do it on 25 or 30. So you just want to calculate and make sure that you check what exactly is happening in the system, what people are doing, the prices that they're actually putting out, so that you can keep your price at an average level, so that people will decide to choose you instead of somebody who's doing at a higher price. That is what I want to show you today. It's people per hour. It's absolutely awesome. And if you don't have an account, it's absolutely free. Just click over here, sign up. So you could sign up with email or sign up with Facebook. And because you want to be a freelancer, you want to click here, I want to work as a freelancer. You don't want to click, I want to hire a freelancer, because you actually want to work. So you want to click, I want to work as a freelancer, and then you can sign up with Facebook if that's easier for you, or you can sign up with your email. It depends on you. So this is what I wanted to show you today. I hope it helps you. Make the most out of it. Please like the video if you haven't already. Subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Turn on all post notifications so that you receive a notification every time I have a new video for you. Thank you so much for watching. Comment your questions down below in the comment section. I really appreciate the support. Thank you so much. Cheers.